Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Laguindingan Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Magyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Saroza and Lady First Officer Toral Angala, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.